The installer can be downloaded from the Foglight management server as a zip file by going to Administration, Cartridges, Components for Download, and downloading the file db Azure CLI installer. Download the db Azure CLI installer file to a temporary folder via the Components for Download. The downloaded zip file contains several files, including a readme.txt file with instructions on how to use the installer. Review the contents of the README file for relevant details on how to use and run the CLI installer, with instructions on the command line format to use in the installation. Also included is a Groovy script to run the silent installation, a template CSV file, and 2 SQL scripts used to create and grant agent permissions. The files should be copied to the Foglight bin folder. After the installer is run, output files are written to the folder indicating if the installation was successful. If successful, after a few minutes, agents should be present in Foglight and monitoring.